Hello everyone, this is Anson from AnsonAlex.com and welcome to my 2014 video series on using Google Drive. If you missed my quick start tutorial in getting started with Google Drive, it might be good for you to check that out after this video, because in this video I'm just going to be providing an overview, an introduction, and I'm going to talk about some of the benefits of Google Drive. In my quick start video, I go over all of the primary features of Google Drive, and over the next couple weeks I'm going to be releasing an entire video series on detailed instruction on how to use each and every feature of Google Drive. So, what is Google Drive? Here we are on the Google Drive website, and what Google Drive really is it's a file storage utility. So let's go ahead and let's move down this page a little bit to see what Google says about Google Drive. Google tells you that you can store any file, and you get 15 gigabytes of free space with Google Drive. So that's plenty of space for pictures, videos, all of your Word documents and your word processing documents. You can store that all in Google Drive. So it's kind of like Dropbox. However, Google Drive has an added feature to it, and that is you can compose documents within Google Drive. So you can work on a file like a Word document, a spreadsheet, a PowerPoint presentation, all within Google Drive through your web browser. So I use Google Chrome to use Google Drive, but you can also use Safari, Internet Explorer, or Firefox. You don't have to have special software on your computer like you do with, say, Microsoft Office. Now, when you're storing these files in Google Drive, those files are stored on Google's servers that are backed up multiple times and are available from any computer with an internet connection. So that means to access your files, you don't actually have to have your personal computer right in front of you. You can access your files from any computer once you log in with your Google account. So let's scroll down this page a little bit here. Google tells you can see your stuff everywhere. That's kind of what I just explained. If you log into your Google account, you can access your information on any computer in the world. Now you can also share files and folders with other people. So Google Drive is a great collaboration tool. I use it with a number of companies that I work with when we have a document that both I'm working on as well as members of another organization. We can have it in Google Drive and we can share it with each other so that if somebody's making changes on that document, I can actually have that document open and I can see those changes as they make them. They don't have to make some changes, then email me back a copy of the document, then I make changes and email it back to them, and we have this whole email back and forth sending documents. We've got 20 different versions of one document. We don't know which one is the most updated. In Google Drive, everything happens in real time and you see the most updated version of the document. At the same time, you can always revert to an older version, so you don't have to worry about losing previous data. You can revert to a version that's 3 months old if you decide that that's the version you want to go back to. So the sharing and collaboration capabilities of Google Drive are incredible. I've been using it for about 3 years now, and almost every big organization that I work with is moving towards using Google Drive because it increases their productivity and efficiency so much. Now, I do want to touch base a little bit upon whether or not you should be using Google Drive as a full backup for your computer, because I think you absolutely shouldn't be. A lot of people want to use Google Drive and they want to back up, they want to purchase more space, which you can upgrade from 15 gigabytes, and they want to back up their whole computer to Google Drive. That's not what it's for. On a Windows computer, I would probably recommend using something like SkyDrive. It's made by Microsoft. It's very compatible with Windows. On a Mac computer, I would use Time Machine, and that's made by Apple, and it's really compatible with all Mac computers. Now, those would be the utilities you'd want to use to back up your entire computer. So all of your applications, all your photos, all your videos, all of that sort of thing. Google Drive is what I would recommend that you use for all of your word processing, because even if you need to send files to other people in Microsoft Word format, you can always export from Google Drive. So you can export to PDF, you can export to Word, PowerPoint, Excel, all of these different formats. But while you're composing in Google Drive, you know that you're never going to lose your information. Your whole apartment block's power can go out, your computer can shut down, and Google Drive is actually saving a document as you work on it. So you don't have to worry about, oh, when did I hit that save button? It's automatically saved and you can go access it from any computer once you've started working on that document. It's free to try out. You need a Google account to do it. So it's the same account that you would use for Gmail, Google Calendar, or YouTube. So if you already have a Google account, you can just go to drive.google.com in your web browser and you can log into your Google account. So I actually have one in my Anson Alex 2014 account. If I log in real quick, you'll notice that I'm here in Google Drive, and I'm not going to go over the details of Google Drive in this video, but just so you can see what it looks like. Let's say I just create a quick document up here at the left. It's like a Word document. You'll see that it opens up in my web browser and it looks just like creating a Word document. You've got all the similar features here that you have of Microsoft Office. At the same time, you can upload any type of file here to Google Drive. So you can even upload applications. You can, if you need to just quickly transfer a file from one computer to another. I know Gmail, for example, only lets you attach attachments to your emails of up to 25 megabytes. Well, let's say you have a 3 gigabyte application you need to move over. You can upload it here to Google Drive, go on to the computer that you need that file on, and download it from Google Drive. So it's kind of substitutes for a flash drive. You don't have to have a physical device anymore. Just upload it right to Google Drive and log in on the other computer. So it's a really, really great tool. Definitely check out my quick start video that I published last week, and stay tuned for the 15 or 20 more videos I have coming up that will provide a detailed overview of how to use every single feature here in Google Drive. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, I would appreciate a thumbs up here on YouTube. And if you want to see more technology tips and tutorials, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's all I have for you for right now. This is Anson from AnsonAlex.com.